Ever get that sinking feeling when you check your bank account and see a random withdrawal you can't explain? You know, that lingering question, what in the world did I spend money on this time? We've all been there. Subscriptions we forgot about, trials that turned into paid memberships, hidden fees, they all add up, leaving you wondering where your hard-earned money went. But what if there was a way to take control of your finances, uncover those sneaky charges, and finally stop your money from mysteriously disappearing? Well, fret no more, because there is. In today's video, we're diving deep into Rocket Money, a powerful app designed to be your ultimate financial watchdog. So, how exactly does Rocket Money work its magic? Let's break it down. First things first, you'll need to download the app and create an account. The sign-up process is a breeze, and once you're in, it's time to connect your bank accounts and credit cards. Don't worry, Rocket Money uses a secure service called Plaid, a trusted third party used by many financial institutions to ensure your information stays safe. Here's where things get interesting. Once your accounts are linked, Rocket Money goes to work, analyzing your transactions like a financial detective. It automatically tracks your spending across all your connected accounts, giving you a clear and concise picture of where your money is flowing. But wait, there's more. This isn't just a fancy budgeting app. Rocket Money's secret weapon is its ability to sniff out those pesky recurring charges. We're talking about subscriptions you might have forgotten about, gym memberships you never use, or even those sneaky free trials that silently transitioned into paid services. Rocket Money identifies them all, presenting them neatly categorized under a recurring tab. Now comes the empowering part. With a single tap, you can cancel any unwanted subscription right within the app. No more hunting down obscure cancellation links or calling customer service to navigate their endless menus. Rocket Money puts the power back in your hands, letting you decide which subscriptions deserve your hard-earned cash. Saving made simple. But Rocket Money doesn't stop at just managing your spending. It also helps you grow your savings. The app features a smart savings option that uses clever algorithms to analyze your spending habits and automatically transfer small, manageable amounts into a designated savings account. Think of it like a piggy bank on autopilot. You won't even miss the money, but over time, those small contributions can add up significantly towards your financial goals. Bill negotiation? We've got you covered, premium only. Feeling like you're overpaying for internet, cable, or even your phone plan? Rocket Money's premium service offers a concierge bill negotiation feature. Their team of experts will analyze your bills and negotiate on your behalf to get you a better rate. It's like having a personal advocate fighting for your hard-earned savings. Taking control of your financial future. By helping you identify and manage subscriptions, track spending, and even potentially lower your bills, Rocket Money empowers you to take control of your finances. It's a one-stop shop for financial awareness and puts you back in the driver's seat of your financial well-being. Is Rocket Money right for you? Whether you're a budgeting pro or just starting your financial journey, Rocket Money offers valuable tools and features. The free version provides core functionalities like subscription tracking and spending categorization. If you're looking for the added benefit of bill negotiation, the premium service offers that extra muscle. So, what are you waiting for? Take charge of your finances today. Download Rocket Money, explore its features, and see how it can help you uncover those mystery charges, manage your subscriptions, and ultimately, save your hard-earned money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy saving.